I'm gonna do a little color matching on some turn signals for the Porsche. Got some Tamiya X24 clear yellow. It's pretty much a candy. We're gonna add some Valorem transparency enhancer to kind of knock the strength down a little bit. We're gonna match the yellow headlight lenses that we've got for this car, so here we go. So that's what the X24 looks like by itself. We've got about 15 grams here. We're just doing two little turn signals, so shouldn't need much, but it's pretty strong the way it is. So we got a little 000, basically just a clear base coat. I'm gonna add about 10 grams. Knock the strength down just a little bit. Add a little reducer and off we go. Now we've got a little reducer in it. See how it kind of lightened it. Now we're going to be able to build our color and coats versus having something too strong and just being too yellow right out of the gate. Should be exactly what we're looking for. Let's go try it out. Brought it on the sun here to give you guys an idea of what we're after. We're after a yellow color that's about the middle of that cup there. I think we'll be able to achieve it in about 2 to 3 coats. See how it gets lighter as the thinner that it gets. That's what we're looking for. Alright, so this is what we're looking to match here. Got us some clear lenses. See what happens. So here's what we look like after 2 coats. Not quite there, but it's working. Let's keep going. Alright, we're like 12 coats in, and we're there. Just like that. So these are basically painted kind of like similar to what you would do with an RC body. RC meaning remote control car, because they're clear. Get you some clear lenses. Do this trick to the inside. Now, nothing will ever scratch it, chip it, because the coating is on the inside of the lens. This should finish off the front end of that Porsche nicely. I learned this trick years ago when I was building Hondas, and we all wanted that nice JDM yellow light. It works. Give it a shot.